0632 June 14, 2025, right now marks 1074 hours of progress on the global Horror simulation. Currently, quaternion rotation has been implemented for the 3D camera, as currently it is moving around or rotating around the object. Although it appears that the object is moving, it is actually the camera moving, and this is known to be working correctly, as in practice, it works exactly the same as or appears to work exactly the same as the same implementation using matrix rotation, which is seen within this other project. So simply moving that object across its Y value causes it to go upwards, and taking a look at what that code actually does, that is seen here. And so what's going on here is that the object is being rotated by a certain angle every single frame along the X value, which causes it to go up. Now, going back to the other project, that same sort of behavior can be mimicked by changing it from rotation along the Y-axis to rotation across the X-axis, so that should cause it to appear to be the same. So it should go forward, and it does appear to go forward. And looking back, well, that's still this other project, so it appears to be going downwards. So switching that to quaternion rotation, that should look the same, and it does look the same. It starts out facing backwards and then sort of rotates downwards. And another demonstration here could be what happens when it rotates in the other direction. So as an example, going sideways, which makes it easier to see this, see which direction this moves in with the quaternions, and that causes it to sort of go, or causes the camera to sort of move around to the left side of the object and rotate around there. And so going back to this other project that uses matrix rotation, can rotate around the Y-axis about one angle every frame, and then negative, so it moves towards the left. And that does look the same, but is that actually, no, that's still on quaternions, but changing this should make it about the same, setting it to the project that is actually being run. And so yeah, that's looks about the same. So it appears that the quaternions are working correctly, as it has the same behavior as rotating using the rotation matrix. And so going back to quaternions and messing around with that, and so that does appear to be correct. And so the intention going forward is to continue through the 3D physics book and begin creating a new project that's aim is to sort of capture the same controls as that book and begin implementing the physics code, now that the math appears to be working accurately.